every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. But now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way.
I know, so there's I don't know where the entrance to it is. Oh, you're allowed back at the pools?
Yeah, you're allowed in the pools.
You're allowed at right.
We want to aim for somewhere where my mum's scooter can come down.
Well, I know where you're going.
Yeah, literally right. I'm going to tell the both of you now. Where are you? Callum, come here. Because I'm going to tell Nicole as well when she comes. As long as it's okay with Nana and Grandad, because me and Scott will be okay. We don't mind you. We don't mind you. You're allowed in the pool anyway. We don't mind you going off on your own. As long as you remember where we are. As long as it's okay with Mum and Dad when they come, we don't mind you wandering off. As long as you do not leave the park.
Alright, so where do we go to get this lady?
Literally, that's what all the things are for. It shows you where everything is. I've even brought a map. Scott!
Calm down.
Scooter! Scooter! We need to go somewhere where generally...
Go this way.
I don't know if to go this one, I was trying to walk across it all.
Your bag.
Do
not. That's what we're getting.
Where from?
One of these.
Now?
It will be soon, yeah.
They're running out.
We'll come back. There's blue ones and stuff. Right, there's a ramp here. So round here. But no, I said to him, Scott, that I don't mind them wandering off as long as they don't leave the park and then remember where we're parked, where we are.
I know where you parked.
No, Mike, here. Yeah, Scott down this bit round about here. Right, there's loads over there. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, kids under a certain age, I think it's possible.
You can still call her Bella. It's fine.
These ones here?
Yeah, could go on these, yeah. These are do.
Right, Connor, we'll be here.
That big back barrel there, mate.
It looks like I haven't shaved now, but I have. It's just when my fucking leggings have been.
Connor!
Tell him, Connor, walk. Starting to feel like Connor's mum. See?
Hey, baby cake. Hey, baby cake. Hey, baby cake. Hey, baby. That was good. Hey, baby. That was fun. Real good. Alright, I'm going back.
Probably from a
Her claws that she has. Yep.
From what?
Her claws.
We're going to have to get some...
Oh? Oh?
sort of...
some more sun cream on your face.
Did we even put any on your back?
Yeah, you're gonna have to put some sun cream on your face.
Shotgun, I'm on the inside.
Because this white bitch can't take any more heat at the moment. It just swoops you up, doesn't it?
Yep.
Scoops you.
Yep.
Which one are you going on?
We don't know yet till we get up there.
There's a rafting or 3 people going on.
I know, yeah. That could be good.
Yeah, should we just stick together?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. We'll have much better fun with us girls.
Since Callum and Connor's left you. Well, since Scott and Connor's left you.
Go on that. That one, the light blue one over.
Well, what one did they go on?
The 3 one.
He's got a Harry Potter thing on his side.
Oh yeah. That must have hurt.
Huh?
That must have hurt.
That's where I want that other one that I showed you.
Bless you.
Hi everybody. This chairman will take you on a one-way trip to the top of Mount Rushmore, where you'll find all of our slides and on our rapids. To ride the chairlift,
And I'm waiting
all
for Scott to come back so we can go get a donut.
time requirements. No bags or portables are allowed on
I'm gonna see if we can get one of each colour, and then just half it between us.
and stay clear of the seating restraint, which will lower automatically. For a safe ride,
I'm
this
serious,
is
you got to do some rehab on my shoulder.
watch your children and do not bounce or swing
Might even get a hot dog with crisps.
or smoking on board.
No.
Crisps.
Bienvenidos. Para que todos tengan un
Is that
viaje
fries? No, what is that?
Crisps.
No, chips are crisps.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah.
So you chips you mean.
Yeah, they're still crisps. In English, it's
In English.
yeah. Yeah, over there's the kids section. So I can go on I can get on little rubber rings and let Isabel sit in between my legs while you recorders and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So look, that's why it says max of 3 people per chair. That's why I said for you to come back to me.
I'm going on one.
Callum, you go that side because I like the inside. I get very nervous about. Yeah.
Perfect, you guys are good just the way you are. You guys are all about the same height and stuff, so don't worry. You guys are gonna go stand on those numbers for me.
I'm not gonna like this.
Swoop!
Right.
Automatically.
Uh-huh. Yep.
Yeah, sometimes they stop middle of sometimes they stop middle.
I wanted to be in that side.
You need to be on 3 then.
If you don't like heights, don't look.
Yeah, look, show you the kids part in a sec.
Yeah, me and Nicole's been there.
Yeah.
Been Lazy River. I've been on that one, but ice all around it.
Yeah, I've been on that years ago.
Not that one.
No. Scott and your granddad want to go on that.
I've just realised that one actually goes all the way down.
Mhm.
I thought it stops.
No.
I want to go on that.
I thought it was a jump going into like a deep pool.
Damn, that's fast.
Yeah, look, there's the baby section. There's the kid section. In the lazy river as well, if you find them, there's a bloke that's walking around in the water and he can take a picture of you. That's in the water, so I'd be able to scan it.
Yeah, it's 3 feet, like an apple. I thought it was a jump. No, just put it on. There's somebody's going on it.
Yeah, I know.
That's giant.
But,
Do you have to get those to have a video show?
yeah,
Do you have to buy it?
yeah. Everything's included here. Apart from food.
That's good, that.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna see if I can get on with Isabel.
You should be able to. Zip line?
Oh yeah, there is that as well. I went on that years ago. I nearly crashed into the end bit.
What is
Where?
To the zip line. I nearly
What are you
crashed.
supposed to do?
I nearly crashed into the end bit. And my dad was screaming and shouting, "Let go! Let go!" Because how deep the water was. Oh, I don't want that. My dad goes, "You don't let go, you're gonna crash."
Put this
Oh,
on your
somebody's
face.
shoe.
What?
Put this
Somebody's
on your
shoe.
face.
Baby shoe.
Oh, no, don't stop.
Don't stop here. I'm gonna say this is the worst part you could possibly decide to stop on. Don't play with it, Connor. Callum. Sick, innit? I want to turn my head, but I'm scared of heights this far up, so I'm kind of not.
You're not turning around then.
I'm not. I'll take a video from the top. Callum! Front!
Jesus Christ. That is eye. Oh, we're stuck.
Fuck's sake.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
This must have taken ages to make. Like all of this.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Closing.
Are they real rocks?
I haven't got a clue.
Yeah, they are.
Callum, stop moving.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Back off, wind.
Here's mine. Just close your eyes,
Please
better.
just, I am. Please just move. Please just move.
Embrace that nice air.
Please just move.
Cool air.
Please, please, please just move.
Okay.
The chairlift will
Breathe.
resume moving momentarily.
Please, please, please just move.
Breathe. In through your nose, out through your mouth. There you go. See? Magic powers I've got.
The chairlift will
Okay, that's
resume
not very
moving momentarily.
Ah, stand, spit again.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will
Raise your
resume
feet.
moving momentarily.
I'm having a hot flash. Got to do in bed. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Almost there, you're almost there.
Not yet.
Not yet, not yet. And there
Now.
we go. Go ahead and hop off and exit quickly. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Secure the seat inside the slide. The barn.
Yep, it's gonna stop. Ride's gonna stop now.
Reminder, the slide down 7 Clement or slush gusher have to be at least 48 inches tall.
Oh, do you want to go?
Shorter than that.
Just flushing and gusher.
Teacup Spring, one of the coolest rides on the slope.
Should we go and stand underneath cover?
Do you want to go on the street roll?
I want to stand underneath cover personally. Shall we do that?
But
Do this.
yeah.
You'll be sliding
It's a bit cold.
Clement or slush gusher. These rides are flat on your back, arms raised, drop, with lifeguards all
Everyone to go on.
sliding.
Are we just gonna wait here for a little while?
Yeah.
What?
I've been on this one.
That's what happens in Florida. The rain gets you.
But I bet you it's raining up here, but not down there. What's that mountain over there?
That's Everest.
Shit. Where? Oh, yeah, I can see the other theme park. Even though we're at a water park, we're hiding beneath umbrellas.
Showers. Just glad I chose a water park for it.